Just bring her in, James. Aye, you want to be just tight to that there, and the front wheel touching the edge of that grating.
You may not know you can read better trailers.
Hi everybody, so today we're Fastrac. Just want to see how she compares to a sort of standard Northern Irish spec carton rig. Just bring her in, James. Aye, you want to be just tight to that there, and the front wheel touching the edge of that grating.
You may not know you can read better trailers.
Whoa!
That's all you have to do, you just spin around the tight circle here, aye?
Full lock, as hard as you can turn her. And then when you're pointing the other way, we'll mark what your turning circle was. Look at that, boys. Brand new 6145R. Brand spanking new tractor, James, huh? You can do her, son. Just want to see how the Fastrac does, because notoriously the Fastrac would have been regarded as very awkward, and they've introduced the four-wheel steer in that 4220 series, and the K2 has quite a tight turning angle because they do a stepped chassis. But it's just be interesting to see how she does do with regards to total turning circle. The trailers are the same size in theory with regards to dimensions, so that's all we can do. So I'm recording in this camera and I'll get the drone in the air and then we'll see how we get on. On ahead, James, let's see what she does. What do you think the odds of the Fastrac are, James? Big man's on the phone making money here. A man makes some money, hey. Oh, serious. That man just looks at money, hey, and it comes to him. Flies in, hey, into his hands, never seen anything like it. Here comes Gary. So the Fastrac and the K2, I know the John Deere's a little bit of a see what they call the medium wheelbase. And the Fastrac, I suppose, is, well, I don't know. I'd say if with the two of them in the dyno, there maybe wouldn't be much difference.
I would give you half of social distance.
So she turned tighter. She turned in tighter, but she threw the trailer further out. But that's not necessarily a bad thing.
That was the air of the trailer was on off-road part or no?
Oh, Joe, you're back where you started, just slightly different angle. Carry on, take her away. Right guys, this challenge is simple. How long now? How long now? Calm yourselves. What am I hearing all this revving for? These boys are very keen. The challenge is, but I'll count yous in, a complete cycle of lifting the back door, putting out your load, in James's case tipping, in Gary's case pushing. The rules are, the first person that moves forward after a completely tipped load wins. In James's case, you are not allowed to move because you're tipping inside a very, very, very tight, low wires everywhere scenario. You can only move whenever your trailer is completely back down on the chassis, whereas Gary, technically, as soon as he has tipped, he can move and drop the back door. So I'll count you in once I get the wee drone up in the air. Okay, the big camera's rolling.
It's nothing like anything that you've seen before. We're the center of it all, we are the eye of the storm. We were destined to rise since the day we were born. Yeah, we're done with black and white.
And 3, 2, 1, tip your loads.
Right with everything, we break it down, we overhaul. Got genius down to our core. You're starting while we're finishing, we etch it out. You color in, you top the top, but you're falling short. You top the top, and we walk the walk.
Oh, there's not much in it. There's not much in it. But the K2 slightly faster. Slightly faster. Lovely job, gentlemen.
Fantastic, while you're waiting to find the flirt, I'll get the load filled with food. So what point would you normally drive off, James?
Right guys, he's ready for the next challenge. Tip again, but as soon as the load of grass is out, James, you can go. Gary can't go until you're in a lovely big open silo this time. 3, 2, 1, go.
Sketch it out, we ink it in, we're left and right with everything. We break it down, we overhaul. Got genius down to our core. You're starting while we're finishing, we etch it out. You color in, you top the top, but you're falling short. You top the top, and we walk the walk.
K2 is faster, but well. Job well done, boys. Looking good. Must get back in here and see if this turned out. I'd like the thing. Challenge 3.